Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a sketch of an eye. Begin by lightly drawing an almond shape to establish the eye's basic structure. Next, carefully define the upper and lower eyelids, ensuring they follow natural curves. Don't forget to include the tear duct and the inner corner, as these small details add significant realism to your initial sketch. Now, let's add the iris and pupil. Draw a precise circle for the iris inside your almond shape, making sure it's partially covered by the eyelids. Then, place a smaller, darker circle in the center for the pupil. Finally, sketch individual eyelashes, ensuring they curve outward and vary in length for a more natural appearance. To bring your eye sketch to life, focus on shading. Lightly shade the sclere, or the white part of the eye, as it's rarely pure white. Introduce subtle shadows beneath the eyelids to give them a three-dimensional quality. Vary your pencil pressure to create highlights and darker tones within the iris, mimicking its natural texture and light reflection. For the final touches, gently blend your shading to achieve smooth transitions and avoid harsh lines. Add tiny, bright reflections in the pupil and iris to give the eye a lifelike sparkle and wet appearance. Remember, practice is key to mastering eye sketches. Also, check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Keep sketching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.